Have you ever been working on a card and you just notice it needs something just a little more? Let me show you how to add interest for free. Take your trimmer, take the front of your card before you glue it down, turn it upside down, and now let's add some score lines. We're going to add the score lines in 1/4 of an inch. Now move it up another 1/4 of an inch and another 1/4 of an inch. Now let's go ahead and do it at the top. Let's add 1/4 inch, just score right across, another 1/4 inch and another 1/4 inch. Now the reason we've scored on the back side is we want the raised score line on the top. Now go ahead and add this mat to your card and look at the interest that created.